Every missed call or unanswered website visit could be a lost brake job, oil change, or transmission repair. Install an AI chatbot on your website and Facebook page so it can answer common questions instantly. Program it to respond to things like service availability, pricing ranges, hours, location, financing options, and appointment requests. For auto repair shops, this is huge because most customers want fast answers before they choose a shop. The chatbot can also collect names, phone numbers, vehicle details, and requested services, then send those leads directly into your CRM or booking system. If someone visits your site after hours and asks, "Can you do brakes on a Honda Civic tomorrow?" the chatbot can keep that lead warm instead of letting it disappear. Shops often lose leads simply because nobody replies fast enough. A chatbot can increase lead capture, reduce front desk interruptions, and turn after-hours traffic into booked appointments. Even 1 or 2 extra repair tickets per week can create meaningful monthly revenue. Set up one chatbot this week on your website and focus it on booking estimates and appointments.